day one. We're relaxing. As you saw, we ate breakfast. We had sausage, eggs, bacon, hashy browns, and French toast. And there, as you can hear, them shouting because the kids are out hunting, foraging for wood. Where the green laser's pointing, this is where I thought I saw a person standing when I got out the tent because Kato had to use the bathroom. And I was like, is someone there? And I kept staring, and that's where I kept flashing the light. And I was like, oh, there's nothing, it's just shadow. And then kept on turning on and off. And I was like, it looks like a person standing there. And then I turned it off one last time, and then to see like if the shadow's there, and the shadow was gone.
Sleeping. And all of a sudden I heard, Dad, hey Dad. And I woke up, I was like, what? And I thought it was the kids, and I'm all, what? For what? You know, the other one, Jay, the kids are? No. You sure? I should say that. No. I was like, yo, nothing. Fell asleep. The next day, wake up. My dad is the one that mentioned that. It's like, yeah, right there. And what'd he say? Sounded like someone said dad. I was like, what? When he said that, I kind of got the chills because I was like, oh, I heard that at the tent too and shit. Like, what the fuck? That shit was crazy. Crazy.
What is that?
I was like, what's over there?
Throw her head back like
I was like, what's over there? Jenna got up hella quick too.
Stop playing.
We got a special guest here. We got Mikael Jackson.
Miss Missy over here wants water. Where's your cup? Which one?
It says Sophia on it. The green one?
No.
Green, yeah. It's on the table. Over there. The black table.
Oh, say that, dude. What the freak? This is our water. I won't fill up your water.
Yeah, it tastes very good.
Hi guys! Clear food!
Oh no, all three at the same time. Same kick, alright?
Kick it or push.
Kick. 3, 2, 1.
Three.
Just break it apart. Stop.
Do the whole time. Set. One.
Woo!
Oh, that's cool. Bottom one. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Ooh, green, green.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start running down the
I was gonna run too, but I got scared.
that was not slowing down. Look at so steady.
And right here, Chinch has found a trophy. Wow. And it still has a pretty good tip on it. So, the food is ready. This is what we got cooking up. You know, some spicy beans, homemade by yours truly. Some fry bread, well, and then some spicy green chili meat. We also have some salsa, but everyone's over there, and it's chow time. So let's see, get to work.
Ready? I'm gonna be your camera. Okay.
Watch this. Yeah.
You really made it.
Follow the leader, speed racer, ghost, roundy, shuffle.
Alright, let's see how many of those you guys remember by Sunday.
We're good at tomorrow.
Look up. Mama, say hi. Ooh, look. Okay, I'm on my tippy toes. Let me get on my regular toes. There's my dad.
So this is last man standing. It's total of 3 lives. If your flag gets pulled, we get like that. We get pulled out of the ring for 30 seconds, and then we jump back in, just to make the game last longer and see who's the last man standing.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So, next person, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Bird. Next person. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bird. Next person. Oh, you're in there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bird. Next person. 5, 4,
Game, come in.
2, 1.
Hey,
Next
go
person.
ahead.
Go, Eric.
Oh,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Next person. No, he already got me. Yeah.
Oh my God.
You got me. You on your last leg?
We can talk about this. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's go. What if it's
Gabe is eliminated.
Go, Shane, go back here.
Dang, 2 lives. All right, get back. Corner to corner. It's the final showdown between Jedi and Change. Who will come victorious? We'll see. We got our cameraman behind us, Santiago. He will do the countdown for us.
Yes. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
I don't know. Oh.
But you were right about getting that penalty.
Yeah. Oh!
Wait, hold it. If one of them gets the back foot, are they still staying in or they come out?
You still stay in until all flags are pulled.
Ah!
Good. That was a good match. Good. Show your victory head. Whose head did you play?
Eric's head.
Combatants, are you ready?
Yes!
3, 2, 1.
Hey!
Oh, and if your flag gets pulled off, 10 seconds. 2, 1, go.
You're playing too much.
Straight behind you! I got it!
Hoist it.
Where did you stay? Make it back!
sorry.
Why not for me?
Jeez.
Fix your flag, it's like right there. Why are you pulling both of your flags? Do we fix the flag? Go.
Who's gonna win? Chinch or Georgie? 2-on-2 flags. What is being the rusher? He's taking over of this fight. Eric's running. Eric has down a flag. Looks like they're wrestling over here. Come on, Eric.
Eric, keep rushing until you get tired.
So, all of us here are pranking everyone at the campsite thinking they got lost. My walkie's dead, but we're pretending that they're lost and scared, and they're responding back like, quit playing, you better answer. All right, you scared, come back. We're gonna go look for you. I don't think you'll be able to find us because
For real.
we are far. Yeah, I don't know where the truck we are. I think we're almost to the lake.
We're at the road.
See, Cassandra, don't go. You're gonna get lost. But we found a road, like a paved road, unmarked road. Not a paved road. What am I talking about?
Huh?
What's up? Is it? Here it is. So, on today's episode of Lost, we're lost in the woods. Let's see if we can find our way back. Hopefully. There's a trail. This is a trail. You see? Boom, boom, or it continues up.
Alright, well, let's go up.
An update. We made it to a little dirt road, and while we were looking on maps, satellite view and everything, we were trying to see like there's like this crater, and in that crater is just nothing but lush trees, and we think we found it. That wind blowing too is cold. All right, an update on our lost journey. We made it back. We came all the way through there, and then there's the campsite. Whew. Now I gotta take a dump. After a tense battle of cornhole and other fun games, today's game, or should I say today's scare, I'm gonna be dressed up as one of my favorite slashers, and then these two stoneheads are gonna have to survive who?
No!
Go, get going!
We all die.
Oh, how do you put the key? It's not.
Let's go. Just do it. Yes, go.
I can't.
Shut it, Tina.
There you go.
Wait, which one is it? Small
Oh, she
one.
wasn't there when you did it.
Go, so hurry.
I can't. It's not going in the hole. It's not going in the hole. I can't.
He's so.
Oh my God, I can't get the thing. Oh, you had it open.
Go, baby, go. The key, I'm breaking in. Get the key, I'm breaking in.
She went back into
You grab the key. Run away.
Who did the locking?
No, it is like that.
It is. It's still open.
Oh.
Hey, that's some footage right there.
Go in. Don't look back. Thank you.
I'm trying to get the small one, but this.
Yeah, nice and slow. Relax. Calm down. They're probably not.
Sacrifice! Sacrifice! Oh, you guys should.
You guys are so hype.
I didn't get you. Pow!
Nice. Oh, go!
Boss, run back! Grab the gun! Boss, raise his hand!
I can't. Fuck.
Grab the gun! Run back, boss, run!
Guys, if you guys run that way,
Grab the
you have to
gun!
go that way. And then run back that way.
Grab the gun!
So shoot him twice.
I'm not back!
Oh, the boss man is gone.
Run, Sophie, run! Run, you fucking I can't find the key. Right here, hold on. Right here. I can't. Run, Sophie, run! Get the key in your hand. Run, Sophie. Run, Sophie. I can't. No. Run, Sophie, move. Can you shut up? Move. Sophie, come all the way over here.
Run.
I got it. Sophie, run! I got it.
Oh!
Shut the door.
Johnny!
Oh! Oh! You just had to shut the door.
Oh my God!
Quemando son los pelos.
I know this microphone's not even burning, bro.
This is a good one.
But we heard some elk out here. Pretty nice. I look crazy.
Let the best team win.
Yep.
No, it's just
Just for that, you're gonna lose.
You too?
suspicious.
You too, Reen? You're not gonna shake?
So $5, you give me $10.
Alright, that's with Gabriel's loud mouth, 2 no handshakes. It's over.
Bro, what?
All right, you see that?
Yeah.
That'll be heads.
End it.
There ain't nothing on that one. Tails.
Alright.
All right, who's gonna call it?
Heads. Heads.
You can leave me recording
Heads.
constantly.
Heads.
So Crater heads. The other one tails.
Heads. Heads. Tails.
Oh, what is it? Tails. This is Crater.
All right.
We get ball. We're already winning.
All right, who are you
That's
guys?
a one-handed catch.
What's your guys' name?
Ass kickers.
Ass kickers.
What's our name?
What's your guys' name?
Can't be goons.
No, just throw it. Make sure you keep it in bounds. Don't stand for me, guys. Don't stand for me.
Oh yeah, look, we started at the end. But we got.
Let's get that. Eric,
And you guys be careful right
I
here.
wanted to do it, but I got too close to
Jacket.
it.
Eric, get on it. Okay. Now back to you go.
3, 2,
What?
1.
Position. Get in position. Get him.
Hey, we got first down now. Look. It hugged you.
I know, man, they got
That's
it.
what me too. Go for the flag. Go for the flag. You all right? Two. What? My bunions.
Second.
That was my bad. That was my bad.
I was like,
You would have got it if I
yeah.
7.
That's out. That's out. That's out.
Hey, he pushed it. Wait, oh, the touchdown's right here.
Yeah.
Oh, then I was.
3, 2, 1. Delay a game. Get him.
Pass interference.
2, 1.
Hey! Yo, you put that up.
Go. Oh.
I got him before he threw it. What?
Hey, did he throw it before he got him?
She got pulled it and he threw
It's
it.
the camera, yes.
All right, pause it.
Go. Get on.
Two. Stay up, stay up.
Go, go, go.
Open.
2, 1, 2, 1.
Hey, you gotta get past that.
Serene handoff.
What the?
Down.
Hi.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi.
I call it. Let me see. Where did he get it?
That was before the.
Down.
That was before, right there.
Yeah, that was before.
That was before.
First down.
Yes.
No, it was.
First down.
Replay it. Replay. Hold on.
I was not allowed to replay your guys' flag. That's why you leave the flag on the ground.
Yeah.
The man intercepted.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi, 5.
Go,
It's
go.
right there, it's right there.
Oh.
No run backs. No running back and interception.
Dang. Oh.
What?
Oh,
Get ready! Touchdown!
Oh.
No run back.
Touchdown!
There's no run back.
No run backs.
All right, right there.
Alright, go down.
Because we have to go back.
Hi. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Ooh, that was nice. I actually liked it. That was nice. That was nice. I like that.
Boss, right here, boss.
I didn't fall for it, but it was nice.
First
That was good.
Got this.
and 10.
Down. Set.
Someone's hitting from behind.
Go ahead.
Right here.
Go.
Right here. Oh no, no things yet.
Go over there. You got you first.
6,
Down.
5, 4, dig. Hold it.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
Let's go.
That's it.
Oh, that's
Out of bounds.
That's it.
now.
Get it! Go!
Right there, right there.
You pushed his ass.
Yay! Let's go!
Treasure right here, right? Just call.
10, 9, 8,
Down.
7.
Say hi.
Go! You can't run it.
We start right here. Well, might as well. 3, 2, hi.
Can't catch me.
Wait a minute.
I got scared. I didn't want to. I got scared. I didn't want to hit the car.
That was scary.
Nah, you were.
Take out.
How do you feel? Are you gonna win? You still okay?
Yeah, we're good. Got this. We're good. Boss, come back. Boss, hurry. Can we count?
No.
Where do you think?
Say it. Hi.
Go right here. Got it. I got it. He got it.
Say it.
Watch that side. Watch that.
I got it.
Out of bounds!
Right here, though. Right here.
I grabbed it right here.
I feel like
You got me.
you're out of bounds, like over here.
Watch that, boss. Watch that.
Say it.
Wait, someone need to here.
Hey.
We need someone over here. What are you guys doing?
First down.
Pull it.
Right here.
Yeah. Right here. Oh, look.
That's not touchdown.
Oh, inches.
1, 2.
Delay.
Whoa. Wait.
Grab the flag. Grab the flag. Come on, kid.
Well, you gotta start over there, though.
Hurt.
That was good.
Who elbows out my ass?
Down. Say hi.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5.
Oh! He swatted that.
Say hi.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi.
Oh!
No, it's down, fool. You trying to run it, ain't drop things, trying to keep playing. Get your ass.
Third down.
Say hi.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi,
Go,
4
go,
Mississippi.
go, 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 go. Got it.
I got her. Oh, Amanda got her.
Fourth down.
Good job, Serene.
That was good.
Down.
Yeah.
Hi. Down. Say hike.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi.
Oh, he dropped it.
What are you doing?
Down.
That was fourth. That was
Yeah,
fourth.
Oh, our ball.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
That was
4th down.
Or
down on 4.
No, right there.
Right here. Back there.
all right, that's where I'm at.
First down.
All of a sudden.
It was right
All of a
right there.
sudden.
It was there. It was there.
Yeah.
4, 3,
Hey.
2. Get up, get that flag.
Oh, my God.
That counts as a point, right?
Yeah.
For them?
Between your hands.
Doesn't that count as a point for them?
No, it's turned over and down.
All right.
Yeah.
Turn over and down.
We're not doing real football.
No. Obviously.
They gotta run it back.
I know, but
Down, set, hike.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Got you.
no, we didn't. No, we didn't.
I got you. Right there. Yeah, you alright, you guys?
Me and Buster first drink is in here. We got it.
You guys went knee to knee?
Oh, yes.
I got a dead leg. Yo, hold on.
Get some water. 2-minute break.
Run! Right here, where Dad is standing. Right here. Now we can do it. Right here.
First down.
Ready, down, set, hike.
You ran his ass.
Touchdown. Touchdown.
Out of bounds.
He was out of bounds.
All right, come on. Line up. paint's going your way.
You okay?
Yes, get him out!
No, he got it before.
It was here. It was here. It was here.
Come on, go.
3rd and goal.
How come no one's counting when they got the ball?
Get out! Touchdown!
Hold on.
First. I got you first.
Oh, yeah, over there.
I got you back
Touchdown!
Over there.
I got it first.
What?
I didn't get it. I got you back here. Hey, I was too fast. I'm too fast.
Turnover on
That was
downs.
good, but I was like,
Was that 3rd or 4th?
no touchdown.
This
That's
is 4th
right
now.
here.
Yeah.
4th and goal.
4, 3.
Touchdown.
2-1.
2-1.
You guys gotta hand it off.
What time is it?
No! He dropped the ball.
Set. Hey.
That's a nice play!
That's my back.
2nd down.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Go.
Got it!
Touchdown.
Right here! What? Right here!
I think it's 1st and inches.
Go ahead.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fight. Touchdown. The ball went over. Touchdown. The ball went over the line.
Over the line.
And you guys didn't pull this
It
flag,
was
so that's a
down on
touchdown.
contact. Down on contact.
They didn't pull the flag.
No, it wasn't.
Replay it.
2nd and inches.
Touchdown. The ball went over. Fight.
Ready, now, set, hype!
Oh, man.
No. That was in a fumble.
It's all good. It's all good.
2nd down. Touchdown! Touchdown!
Eric was gonna get the ball. She was like this the whole time on there. You got it.
I got scared.
Back here. We have three.
Set.
Go.
Hey.
Two, three.
Interception!
Goal line.
Down, set, hike. Mississippi one.
Get it.
Good, Jedi. Keep those throws up.
7,
6,
6,
5, 4,
5.
3, 2, 1.
Get it.
3rd down.
Yep, 3rd down.
Up here, boss.
3, 2.
Hike. You got it.
Down on downs. Turnover on downs. Or is this 4th?
Yeah.
Oh, 4th down. I apologize. I'm a bad ref.
10, 9, 8,
Ready?
7, 6. 8 more minutes. 8 more minutes.
First down.
Got him.
I'm gonna stay.
8 minutes
I'm
left.
gonna get your guys' pop.
8 minutes left. I'm running you guys over.
Oh, what the hell?
Grabbed it, no.
You gotta let it. You gotta let it.
Redo because they didn't know, or you guys. Yeah, just redo. You can't touch the ball once you throw it.
Because we get it right there, actually.
4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Second down.
That's interference.
3,
Say hi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I pulled it. Yes, boss. No.
We pulled it off first.
8,
Set.
7,
Hike.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, dude.
Got it.
Right there.
Back
3, 2, 1.
Get out of here, kid.
Third down.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
1. Got it.
Fourth down.
6. Gotcha.
He went out of
Fourth
bounds.
down.
Yeah.
That's fourth down.
It's it. It's it. Turnover on downs. Un punto.
Keep going. He went out. He jumped out.
It's all right. No, here we go.
First down.
Hi, you got to come and see me out loud.
What the hell?
You, next time. My bad. My fault. Like
The kids got their revenge.
Yeah. Felt like we should just go. Oh well, because it's getting late.